Hey, so good morning to all. Uh, so great, welcome to my class. So let me share the. I don't know how many of you completed homework. So did you complete homework, students? Let me. Yeah, I can. Okay, great. Yeah, thank you, Rakesh. Yes, you have to. A lot of information is there. Definitely, you can find physics related stuff in my YouTube channel. And now it's time to share the file that. Unit is over. I don't want to waste. I don't want to spend a lot of time today. The unit is over. Today, just revise the stuff, and I want to check how much you are, understand. I just want to take a review from you also. So this is what question paper pattern I'm gonna show you. So this is a question paper pattern, students. Are you there? Can you able to see my slide? Are you able to see slide?
Yes, sir.
The
Yeah,
the watch is very tiny, sir.
I know, but I can show, I can make you bigger, but this is like a complete overview of the paper. I'm not going to, we're going to see the questions later. To get a blueprint of the paper, I just want to, I just want you to see that what is actually pattern. You should know that. How many questions are there in the A and B? But this is a pandemic situation. They made it. This is recent December paper. Last just this month only. They conducted exam last few weeks back. 2 weeks back only. First week of this month. And the first section they gave actually, see, 12 questions they gave. They're asking students, please mute yourself. Don't. So in the first section, you can see they gave the 12 questions. They were asking to attempt how many? How many? Tell me. 8 questions, right? 8 into 4, 32 marks. 8 into 4, 32 marks. The second section, you can see 4 questions, alternate choice. Okay, 4 into 12, 48 marks. Total marks 80. Total marks 80. So, I mean 20 marks for the lab. So, or homework, assignments. So, based on that, we're going to get 100 marks. Okay. So, I mean, sometimes they're going to give actually 75 plus 25. 75 marks for the question paper, 20 marks for 25 marks for the lab. So, every paper you have the lab and assignment. So, here 80 marks for the question paper they gave here and the 20 for the assignment and lab. So the second section you can see here, there are 4 units we have. Each unit one question, long answer. Okay. And the short answer also, actually you can see, we'll go for the next slide. So this is the first section, beta. So they conducted this year 2019, November, December. And the first question you can see, we already completed 3 questions. We already completed 3 questions. So you can see the first question. What are the scalar vector fields? Give example. We already completed, right? What is a scalar? The quantity which has only magnitude is called scalar field.
Both quantity and magnitude
Yeah,
vector.
the quantity which has both vector and magnitude, we call it vector fields. Scalar field is the only one which has only magnitude, whereas the vector field has both magnitude and direction. Examples, we already gave many examples. Work done is kind of like f dot d, f dot s, which is actually scalar. Torque is r cross f, which is actually vector field. Okay, so these are the example for scalar. This is example for vector field. That's it. Coming to the next, define curl of vector, explain its significance. Very easy. See, he's just asking curl of vector. A is a vector. What is curl?
Cross product. Cross product.
What is the cross product of this? Very easy. So you just need to tell
Dates
that
are date.
what it definition. Simply you can do that. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and easy to score 80 out of 80 this paper. And AX, AY, AZ, and you can write it as you can also find it all this stuff. Okay.
Okay.
So you can finish it this, a j into some plus k into whatever you get it here. And you can tell that what is its significance, what is it, what it tells actually. It tells the word curl means it explains the, turning effect, rotational field. Suppose if earth is rotating around the sun and curl of a vector can help to give the details of this. If one fan is rotating, it also give that. So any curl explain the rotation behavior. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Second question also over. Third question also we completed, right? Third question, R is a position vector. Show that del R equal to 3. Did we complete this one? Any one of you responded? Give a response.
Dou by dou x of
Yes,
Xi
sir.
plus Yj.
Yj plus zk.
x.
Dou by dou x.
Divergence of R vector, we know that. What is this?
Dou by dou xi
Del operator also we know that I dou by dou x
plus
plus
j dou
J
by
dou
dou
by
y
dou y plus
plus dou by dou z
K dou by dou
dou
z.
z
When you do the dot product of this, simply dou x by dou
Dou
x
x.
plus No
Into 1
1 plus
plus
worries.
1 plus 1, sir.
Plus
1 plus 1 plus 1. 3,
3,
sir.
sir.
Answer.
that's correct. See, 4 marks over. So we already got 12 marks for this paper. We are pass already. We passed 24 out of. I can show you 24 8 of.
Sir,
Yes,
ఫస్ట్ ఆన్సర్ కి ఓన్లీ ఏమంటారు డెఫినేషన్ రాసి 2 ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ రాసేవారా సార్?
సరిపోతుంది. 2 plus 2 marks.
ఓకే సార్, ఓకే సార్.
Very easy, right? So already we completed this. In this section, we are attempting 3. Okay. So out of 8, we are already able to do that. How many? 3. If you can able to finish one more unit, you can just, that's it. So we don't need to do all the syllabus, but for our career, we have to do everything. I'm sure you're gonna score 80 out of 80 in the first semester. If you can, if you are going to attend all my classes. If you don't attend, as you are to you, but you have to attend. If you don't have attendance, I'm not going to allow you to write a practical exam. We are not going to provide you all tickets also. So coming to the, I'm going to show you second section, long answer. This is here in this section, we were able to do only one, but let me move to the long answer section. And the section 2 is given here. You can see that. What is this?
Yes, sir.
Short film, essay type, 12 marks, one question, 12 marks. See guys, very easy papers. So we have a 4 units and each unit one question, but with alternative choice. Everything is we have a choice. It's not like
గాస్ డైవర్జెన్స్ థియరం.
very easy. The first question itself you can able to do. First 2 questions.
ఎస్ సార్, ఎస్ సార్.
First two, explain the line surface volume integrals. Just definitions. What is the A dot DL? What is the A dot DS? What is the A dot DV? Okay, you just need to explain it. Okay, in a vector field, explain their significance. You just need to importance. You have to definitions and also give one example, or maybe you can take some example to one of the A. You can take it x plus y plus j. Sorry, xi plus yj plus zk, and do everything. And DA, you can do that. You can take DL as a, xi plus yj plus zk. So just write the formulas how we do it. Dot product, right? Everything is a dot product. Here you can get a volume. Here you can get the area. You get area here. Here you can get volume. Here you can get only length, right? It's a linear integral, surface integral, volume integral, and you can go through my class also. We have already covered this. And the second alternate choice, we have explained the divergence of vector, like a divergence of A. State and prove Gauss theorem, Gauss divergence theorem. We have done this completely, right?
Sir.
So, what is the divergence? Explain that. And just whatever we did before, like what is del I, you can write it, A you can write it, and divergence A you can prove it, and finally then you can Gauss theorem, A dot ds equal to divergence A dv. Correct? This is a Gauss theorem, right?
Yes, sir.
Surface to volume. Surface to volume. Stokes theorem is what? Linear to surface, right? Students, no one is responding.
ఎస్ సార్, ఎస్ సార్.
Okay.
Sir.
Now you saw the paper, at least you know how easy paper, right? The paper seems like a very easy. You can post these papers in the group also, like the same, the first previous slide and this slide, so that people can, see, wow, exam paper also, they should know that actually. So why I'm showing this, because you need to get some confidence. Oh, I can able to do the paper easily. whether you are thinking the, what I'm teaching or not, whether you are able to follow or not. This everything you can, understand easily. If I, every unit after I can discuss the question paper, one or two, so that you can, follow it. You can match how you are able to get the scores. Any doubts, Lana?
Sir.
So yeah, after I one more unit, you can able to do this full section. If you can able to complete the motion, then in this entire 40, year 4 into 12, right? 4 into 2. So if you can able to do one more section, here you're gonna get 24 marks. Now we are able to get 12 marks. 12 plus 12, 24 already got out of 80, we got 24, which is almost like a pass.
Pass.
Almost. With a one unit itself, we are passing. If we can able to go one more unit, we're gonna get score at least 40 marks, more than 40 out of 80. Okay. So be careful, guys. Don't, skip classes. We'll go very slowly. We have completed any doubt. If you have any doubts, let me know. We will discuss today. I'm not going to take any new things today. But I think yesterday we were, lot of
Sir,
topics also we have discussed.
hello sir.
Yes, sir. Tell me.
సార్ గాస్ నేమ్ ఒకసారి చెప్తారా? గాస్ తీరం.
అస్థిరం ఏముంది, ఈజీనే ఉంది కదా, ఏం ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది?
నేను రాలేదు సార్ ఆ రోజు క్లాస్ కి.
Don't tell me that. If you didn't attend, what is the alternate way to get it? Tell me. If you didn't attend, what is the alternate way?
YouTube.
Yes. Who said that answer?
Shivareddy.
You are already right. Same. It repeats again whatever I am doing. It doesn't make sense again taking my time here.
సార్ ఛానల్ నేమ్ ఏంటి సార్?
Huh?
ఛానల్ నేమ్
I just posted you. I just put.
చాట్ బాక్స్ లో ఉంది లింక్.
Yeah.
ఓకే బ్రో, ఓకే.
Just get it from the chat box. It is there. So it's easy. You can get it twice, thrice also. Right? One more thing. If you didn't attend, asking me, that doesn't make sense. If you attend, if you still didn't understand, I'll explain. Because we have 80 members every day, definitely, many members, absenting. I can see that. It's your fault. Losing marks. I cannot help, right? So did you post, guys, this question paper in the group?
Yes, sir.
One of you, don't post all of you guys. Shivareddy, just post the question paper, at least this and this one. Take this screenshot. Did you take it? Yeah?
ఆల్రెడీ పీడిఎఫ్ పెట్టారు కదా సార్ మీరు?
PDF లకి స్క్రీన్ షాట్ పెట్టారు సార్. పెట్టారు సార్, అది
పెట్టారు
పెట్టారు
సార్ ఆల్రెడీ, మీరు పీడిఎఫ్ పెట్టారు ఆల్రెడీ.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine.
ఆల్రెడీ ఉంది.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Yeah. So how about this question? How many of you completed? Anybody tried? Upender, are you there?
Yes, sir.
If you try, Upender.
Try చేసిన సార్, బట్ రాలే. అది కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతుంది సార్. అది
మొత్తం ఆగమాగమైంది సార్.
I don't. See, Upender, you got JE score around 94 in physics, right? 94 percentile.
సార్.
You were able to do this problem. 94% IIT. So you should able to do this problem. Did you at least try? Anybody want to explain? Girls, anybody? From girls?
No, sir.
Why, Nana? I should tell, right? So yeah, let us take the one blackboard, empty board. I copy this and tell me that problem we'll do on the whiteboard.
ఓకే సార్.
Let me, did you copy the question?
Copied, sir.
Because you have to tell me that 4xz, y square, yz. Okay. Share stopping. Or new share also there, right? We can go for new share. Right. F is equal to what is
4x 4x zi
4x?
zi
Yes.
minus y square j
Minus y square j
minus y zk
minus yzk. This is what? This is a vector they gave, and the x is
x is
from
equals to
0 to
0 1
y is
z
also same.
is
Z
also
is
same.
also 0 to 1. These are the problem, and we need to do the actually what is going on. Like we can do that, or maybe I can go for black, which is blackboard. Yes. So Gauss theorem we have f dot ds f dot ds equal to divergence f dv. This is a volume integral, this is surface integral. So we need to prove first. I want to go right side one, RH, LHS equal to R. I want to go for RHS first, which it seems easy. So I will write it first. These are the vectors you should remember. So what is my del operator? Del operator is del vector is I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z. So these are my unit vector. I have to remember always caps. And if I have of course here, then I have to find it del dot v divergence of f, divergence of divergence of f. So when I do the divergence of f, how much I'm going to get? I'm going to get 4 xz
I
dou by dou x
those
plus dou by dou y minus y square
square
minus dou by dou z. I'm gonna get
y
yz.
z.
So what I'm gonna get here, tell me. Here I have to do only with respect to x. So I'm gonna get 4z here, right? Plus minus 2y, derivative of y square is 2y. So the remaining two
Derivative 1.
constant. So here I'm gonna get only y. Is it clear for all of you?
Yes, sir.
Here
Sir, అక్కడ pluses
why I'm getting here z is, so we are doing with respect to z. Z is going to be 1. So remaining y is a constant. Here y square we are doing with respect to y. So y square value, so if you use this formula like y power n, so ny power n minus 1. So n is 2. So y power 2 means 2y 2 minus 1. So which is actually 2y. So similarly here the first one is x only, so x power 1 you're going to get 1. So this is what we got it. Now the task is to what we have to do. So then I am going to in order to prove this, what I am doing, I have to do volume integral divergence f dv. So what I got here, how much I got here? I have to substitute integral 4z minus 2 minus 2y minus y minus 3y, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is what I got it. Then dv, right? This is volume integral. So then what I have to do here? What I have to do? Tell me. Tell me, anybody? Any idea what I have to do now?
Sir, constant
So what I have to do is, yes.
4z minus 3y by dx.
No, no, no. What is dv? Dv means here dx, dy dz,
dz.
right? Here also 3 integrals.
Okay, sir.
One time, so we have to do 3 x, y, z. So
Z.
I have a 4z minus 3y into dx, dy, dz.
dz.
So first I'll minimize, I'll go for the z. Then first what I do is I'll keep xy here. Then I go for bracket z 4z minus, come on,
3 y ఉంది కదా
4z minus 3y. I'm doing integral with respect to z, dz. Remaining, I don't want. I can keep here if you can write here dx dy. So I'm not attempting anything dx dy. I'm only doing with respect to z. So what I'm doing is dx dy. Then what I'm going to get here answer, tell me, with respect to z. Integral. Anybody knows integral?
sir
Sir, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1.
Yes, correct. So here z is there. Z power 1 plus 1 by, so which is actually 4z square by
By
2.
2. 1 ja,
Okay.
2 ja.
And
Yes,
one
sir.
more thing is here z is not, is a constant. So 3y is a constant, but 1 is there. So 1, it is going to be z, right? So what is the dz integral? Z, right?
Z, sir. 1 d z.
So 1 means is nothing is there, means 1 dz is z. So what are the limits for z? 0 to 1. 0 to limits. Z
0 to 1 sir
So I have to apply, right? Once I complete the integral, I have to apply z. So what are the limits are there? Integral dx, integral dy. Then so z is 1. When I keep here 1, 4 only, 4 by 2, 2. Right? Minus 3y. Z is how much? 1. So this is what I got it. After completion of dz, I got this one. Okay?
okay sir
Is it okay?
Okay, sir. Okay.
So then
okay
I don't have a board here to start. Can I erase left side one?
yes sir
Did you copy, guys? Left side one?
copied sir
Yes, yes, sir.
I'm just erasing this. Right. So I have now, I can go for, I can impose the dy next. Dx I'll keep as it is. So what is, I have 2 minus 3y bracket integral of dy. Okay. So I'll finish it with respect to dy. So what I'm going to get, integral dx. So dy, what is integral of here? 2 dy
2y, sir. 2y. 2y
minus
minus
3y
3y
square
square
by
by 2.
2. Very good. Very good. And limits are 0 to 1.
1
Is it clear?
yes
Again, 2 is there, beta. 2 into 1. Like whenever you have a constant, it is going to be y. Here
1
y
by 2,
power
sir.
1 is there. So y power 1 plus 1 by y power 1 plus 1. Sorry, 1 plus 1. Y square by 2. So now again I have to simplify this. What I am going to get is integral dx. When I apply the limits, I am going to get here 2 minus 3 by 2.
by 2
Right?
yes sir
1 by 2 వస్తుంది సార్ టోటల్.
ఎందుకు జీరో అప్లై చేస్తున్నారు సార్ అంటే జీరో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే జీరో ఓకే ఓకే ఐ థింక్ యా when I substitute zero, you don't get anything, right?
0, sir.
Upper limit minus lower limit. So I have to substitute first upper limit. I'm going to get 2 minus 3 by 2 minus lower limit means completely 0. So how much I'm going to get here?
1 by 2, sir.
4
1 by 2.
minus 3 by 2 means
1 by 2.
1 by
2, sir.
2. That's it. 4 to 4, yeah. 1 by 2 dx, right? So what I am going to get here, tell me, x by 2. Integral of that how much? X by 2.
X by 2.
So answer is 1 by 2 beta.
sir.
So our next target is to get it left side also have to prove it as a 1 by 2. That is our target, right? And you can also ask me doubt here, sir, you started with Z, why can't you start with X and ended with Z? Still you can do it. There is no there is no restricted method to follow this method. You can also start, you will get same answer. You can also start here dx and keeping dy dz side. Okay, you can try that at home. Okay, so what did you get it my point? ఏం చేయండి అంటే జెడ్ని ఫస్ట్ తీసుకున్నాం కదా, యూ కెన్ టేక్ యాజ్ ఎ ఫస్ట్ డిఎక్స్, దెన్ డివై, దెన్ లాస్ట్ డిజెడ్ తీసుకోండి. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్.
అట్లా కూడా ట్రై చేస్తే ఆన్సర్ ఎంత రావాలో సేమ్ రావాలి.
ఓకే సార్.
సో ఓకే, దెన్ ఎనీ డౌట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ హియర్?
No, sir.
ఎస్ నానా?
No, sir.
అందరికి girls response. I'm looking for girl. Hey, what happened? Tanuja, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
How about others? I can see girls. Very. Don't mute. Whenever you see some disturbance in your home, please mute it. Girls, I can see only less members. Srikanth, did you understand? Srikanth, Sidhu,
సార్ ఒకసారి తెలుగులో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయరా సార్ అది?
ఏది?
ఎస్ సార్, అక్కడ నుంచి.
ఎక్కడి నుంచి నాన్న?
జెడ్ ఉంది కదా సార్,
రైట్ సైడ్ సార్, రైట్ సైడ్ అండి.
రైట్ సైడ్.
ఇదా?
ఎస్ సార్.
ఇప్పుడు ఏమైంది దీని ప్రకారంగా? ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేశాను నేను, మళ్ళీ రైట్ సైడ్ అంటే స్టార్టింగ్ పార్టా లేదు మిడిల్ పార్టా? ఇది మిడిల్ పార్ట్ అవుతుంది. సో డైవర్జెన్స్ ఎఫ్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఎలా వచ్చింది ఇది? సో వీ డిడ్ యాక్చువల్లీ 4xz dx minus y square dx minus yz dz. దాని తర్వాత జెడ్ని మనము ఏం చేసాము, ఇది వచ్చింది కదా, ఇది ఎలా వచ్చిందో తెలియదు అంటారా ఇప్పుడు?
సార్ అది తెలుసు సార్, కింద నుంచి మళ్ళీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయండి మీరు.
ఎక్కడి నుంచి నాన్న?
మిడిల్ పార్ట్ అంటే సార్ ఫస్ట్ పార్ట్ అయిపోయింది కదా సార్.
ఇదా?
dx dy dz. ఎస్ సార్, అక్కడ నుంచి.
డైవర్జెన్స్ వచ్చింది కదా, ఇది వచ్చిన తర్వాత dx dy dz కదా.
ఎస్ సార్.
దీన్ని నేను బ్లాక్ చేస్తున్నా, ఈ రెండింటిని కాకుండా dz తో చేస్తున్నాను. సో dx dyని సైడ్ పెట్టేసా, ఒక రెండు ఇంటిగ్రల్స్ ని సపరేట్ చేసి ఒక ఇంటిగ్రల్ ని లోపలికి తీసుకెళ్ళి ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు జెడ్. సో జెడ్ని తీసుకెళ్ళి ఆ ఫంక్షన్ ఇది ఉంది కాపీ చేసేది యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్, dz తోని ఇంటిగ్రల్ చేశాను. ఇంటిగ్రల్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుందంటే జెడ్కి ఇంటిగ్రల్ చేస్తే వి గోనా గెట్ z²/2 వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ 3y అనేది కాన్స్టెంట్, 3y ఉంది. 1 dz జెడ్ అయింది అంతే. సో కాన్స్టెంట్ అంటే జస్ట్ జెడ్ వస్తుంది అంతే. సో దెన్ యూ అప్లై ద లిమిట్స్. జెడ్కి 0 నుంచి 1 కాబట్టి 1 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే ఇది 1² అయితే 1 అవుతుంది, 4/2కి 2 వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ వైకి లిమిట్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయొద్దు. ఇప్పుడే మనం వై దృష్టిలో చేయలే కదా, డెరివేటివ్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ చేయలేదు. సో వైని వై లాగానే పెడతాం, 3yని జెడ్ దానికి మాత్రమే అప్లై చేయాలి. సార్ నేను వై కూడా చేస్తా అంటే ఇట్ డజంట్ మేక్ సెన్స్. వైని చేసేటప్పుడు మాత్రమే వైని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. సో ఇది వచ్చింది జెడ్కి. దీని తర్వాత ఏం చేసిన, హ్యావ్ టు పుల్ డివై దృష్టి చేయాలి మళ్ళీ. సో డివై దృష్టి చేసేటప్పుడు ఇప్పుడు వై లిమిట్స్ చేసుకోవాలా. ఇక్కడ కాన్స్టెంట్ ఉంది కాబట్టి వై అయింది, ఇక్కడ వై ఉంది కాబట్టి y²/2 అయింది. లిమిట్స్ అగైన్ 0 to 1. వైని మొత్తం సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే నాకు కాన్స్టెంటే వచ్చింది. ఇంకా ఐ డెంట్ గెట్ ఎనీ ఎక్స్ కాంపోనెంట్ హియర్. కంప్లీట్లీ ఇట్స్ వైలే ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి లిమిట్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే ఇంకా ఏమీ రాలేదు, 1/2 వచ్చింది. ఇక ఇంటిగ్రల్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది, ఎక్స్ వస్తుంది అంతే, కాన్స్టెంటే ఉంది కాబట్టి x/2 వచ్చింది. లిమిట్స్ అప్లై చేస్తే 1/2 వచ్చింది. ఓకేనా? ఇంకా డౌట్స్?
సార్ ఇది 2y minus 3y square by 2 సార్.
ఎక్కడ నాన్న? ఇక్కడనా?
ఎస్ సార్.
2 minus 3/2 ఎంత అవుతుంది? 2 minus 3/2 ఎంత అవుతుంది? LCM 2. 2 × 4, 4 minus 3.
అది తెలుసు సార్, అది తెలుసు, కానీ ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదా సార్ పైన 2 minus 3y into dy కదా సార్, అది ఆ కింది స్టెప్ లో వచ్చింది కదా సార్, 3y square by 2 ఎలా వచ్చింది అనేసి.
3
x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 కాదు.
ఎస్ ఎస్ ఓకే సార్.
వైకి ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఏమవుతుంది?
y square by 2.
అంతే కదా, పైన ఉంది కదా, y plus 1 by 1 plus 1. సో
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్.
రైట్. ఓకే నాన్న. సో కెన్ ఐ erase the all stuff? Can I erase it? Can I clear it?
Done, sir.
Or you want to take screenshots? Okay na? Can I?
Yes, sir.
You have to practice it. అంటే మీ ఓన్గా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే కానీ అది మనకు రాదు. సో ఇక్కడికి వచ్చే వరకు వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్? I can't hear your voice, sir. Network problem. I don't know what should I do. You should find a network where you can hear it. So then what I can do this. We have done one part it, right? We have done only one part. Oh, time is over, right? Final year students are adding. So I think yeah. Can you do other part? Can you try it, guys?
Yes, sir.
And the other part we have.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So simply f dot ds. So you have to do this. How do we do, sir? So again, what you do is ds. You can take it as a dx, I dx,
I dy
y
dt
plus
J.
a dz.
dz.
So you have already f is there. So f, when you do that, f dot ds, you can calculate it. So that is going to be get 4x z dx, right? Plus minus y square dy minus yz dz. Then you apply the 2 times integral. So surface integral you have to attempt it, right? So 4x z dx. Okay. Yeah. Yes, I think we already completed surface. Here it's okay, plus minus y square dy minus yz dz. So here you have to, the question you can hear is, what should I take it? Do I no, here I think simply you can do, no, it's a surface integral, you have to do twice, right? You have to do twice, but which one you should take it? That's a question. Can you able to do dx dy or dy dz or dz dy? Which one you have to hold it first? So what you do first, do with this, with respect to this. First you so will, I think you can try simply do that with respect to whatever you get answer here, students. So what you just do that with respect x, you get some value here. Do this y, do this z. Then you apply the limits. Okay, see what answer you get it. Then based on that we'll decide it. Okay.
Okay.
I think what we have to do is ds is we should take actually. No, I think whatever we did, this is correct only. Up to here is fine. Then applying limit, whatever you get some value there, finally you have to do that again integral with respect to x or z. Okay, right. So I think I have to start final class. You can leave my class. Okay, Finally, students, you can what I'm do. I'll
Sir, attendance, sir.
I'm sorry,
Attendance link, sir.
Attendance link.
but I posted, right? Did I? I
ఉంది
didn't
సార్,
post.
లింక్ ఉంది ఆల్రెడీ. ఐ
Yeah,
విల్
I
సబ్మిట్.
posted very beginning beta. You can do it that one. Just very beginning of chat box.
సార్ రాలేదు సార్.
సార్ రాలేదు సార్ నాకు.
చాట్ బాక్స్
మళ్ళీ
లో
పంపరా?
లేదు బ్రో చాట్ బాక్స్ లా చూసినాం.
సార్ యూట్యూబ్ లింక్ పెట్టారు సార్.
Sir,
యూట్యూబ్
no,
లింక్
sir.
అండ్
Yes, sir.
జూమ్
యూట్యూబ్ సంబంధించి లింక్ లేదు సార్.
Right, right. But I
ఇప్పుడు
think
వచ్చింది.
I posted very beginning, but I'll let me post again. Yeah, I will do that. Don't worry.
ఉంది సార్, ఆల్రెడీ పోస్ట్ అయింది.
Yeah, I think that they join later. Like if you join late, you can't find it. That's a problem. That's I'm posting now.
వచ్చింది సార్ మళ్ళా.
వచ్చింది సార్, ఐ విల్ పోస్ట్ ఇట్.
Oh, great, great, great. So that's fine. You please open it and submit it. Okay. So finally, students, I'm just
Okay, sir.
closing the session. You can join back because I have to complete this class and upload into the YouTube. So definitely, so you can join back again. I'm closing now. End the meeting. Then you can.